Hey Daniel, can I ask you something a little personal?
Sure, Olivia, what's on your mind?
Have you ever thought about your biggest dream in life? Like, what do you really want to do?
Good question. I've always dreamed of starting my own business. Maybe a small tech company or a coffee shop with a twist. What about you?
That sounds awesome. I've always wanted to be a writer. I want to publish a novel one day.
Wow, that's really cool. What kind of book would you write?
Probably fiction. Maybe a mix of romance and adventure. I love creating characters and imagining different worlds.
I can totally see you doing that. You're so creative. Have you started writing anything yet?
Just some short stories and notes. It's hard to find the time, but I'm working on it. What about your business idea? Have you taken any steps?
A little. I've been reading books about entrepreneurship and saving money. I also took a few online courses.
That's a great start. I think it's important to follow our dreams, even if we go slow.
Exactly. Some people are afraid to try because they don't want to fail.
True, but I believe failing is part of the journey. We learn and grow.
I agree. So, if you could live anywhere to work on your writing, where would you go?
Maybe a quiet town near the mountains, or maybe somewhere in Europe, like Italy or France. You?
I'd love to live in a big city like New York or San Francisco for business, but maybe retire near a beach someday.
That sounds perfect. Do your parents support your dream?
Yeah, they do. They always tell me, do what makes you happy. What about your family?
My mom supports me a lot. She always says I was born to tell stories.
That's beautiful. I think we both have dreams worth chasing.
Definitely. Even if it takes years, I don't want to give up.
Same here. Maybe one day I'll walk into a bookstore and see your book on the shelf.
And maybe I'll be drinking coffee in your cafe while writing my next novel.
Deal. Let's keep working toward our dreams, step by step.
Yes. One day, we'll look back and be proud that we never gave up.